Peace, family. Welcome back to our credit healing channel. So today we're going to be discussing with you how you can make money while being able to assist people with improving their credit. It's very simple and very easy to do, and we're going to actually walk you through it. All right, so what you see right here is our chess dashboard. This dashboard is for our credit healing clients, and we can actually dispute directory items, get them removed for our clients using our completely automated credit healing system. But when you go and you create an account at app.credithealing.org, then you'll have access to the many features that we have in our software. And you can see them on the left-hand side. Trust me, it's very monumental. You'll be able to do so much, which includes being able to get loans, build your business credit, personal credit, learn about disputing. And you can also dispute for other people if you are looking to start a credit repair company. You can do so much in it, but right now we're going to discuss with you how you can make money while just referring others to us. Very simple. All right. Now, inside of the dashboard, what we'll do is that we'll go down to the bottom. This is the dispute center, which is this allows our clients to be able to see what disputes we're sending out for them. Therefore, we're very transparent with all of the work that we're doing. But we're going to scroll down towards the bottom where it says earn more per referral. Now, in this particular referral, all you have to do is once you create an account at app.credithealing.org, all you have to do is enter in the person's name. Let's say his name is John. Okay. John Doe. All right. Phone number. We're going to just do that. 22222. 222. All right. Email. So this right here is the email of the individual. Let's say the email is my email at gmail.com. Right there. Now, this is the referral's email. So this is your email that you'll be entering. So let's say, for instance, your email is my email address, my email ad at gmail.com. And the referral's name, let's say your name is Jane Doe. You can also put comments there. You can say, this is my cousin. My cousin. You can attach a file, whatever you want to attach. And then it's very simple. All you have to do is just click on refer a friend. And so when you click on that, what happens is we're going to receive a notification that you referred someone. Once you refer that individual and they sign up for our services, and they're going to also receive an email. They're going to receive an email notification to sign up. Once they do, as soon as they sign up for our services, you get paid. You can reach out to us. You can also reach out to the individual and ask if they signed up. You can reach out to us and we'll pay you via Cash App or Zelle or whatever you want to use to be able to get paid. It's a very simple and very easy way for you to not only improve the quality of your friend or your family's life, you can also improve the quality of your life by being able to increase your revenue. And then you can also help others be able to do what you desire to do or what you are currently doing. There's so much that you can do inside of our system chess, besides making money by referring people. You can also start your own credit repair company. You can also scale your credit repair company. There's a lot that you can do, and trust me, you will absolutely love being a chess user. And the last thing is that we're going to be coming out with another affiliate program. The other affiliate program is a pay-per-click affiliate program. And this is, we're going to pay you per person who actually clicks on the affiliate link. That's another way that you can make money using our system and also helping other people. All right, family. So I'm happy to have this discussion with you. If you have any questions, reach out to us at contact@credithealing.org. If you're ready to get started, go to www.credithealing.org. Peace.